Hi guys, I have another swap to share with you today. I swapped with my friend arcticglam on Instagram. Her name is Ursula, but you can find her at arcticglam if you're interested in following her. She posts some really pretty things and she makes really cool crafts, so go ahead and follow her on her Instagram. But we decided to swap wands. I thought it would be fun to swap wands with somebody, so I made a post on Instagram and she messaged me, so we decided to swap wands, and I'm really excited to see what she came up with. This package is really cute with the little duckies in it. I thought that was really cute, and then I just covered up our names with the tape. But all I did was open up the side here, and this is what it looks like inside. So I'm just gonna pull it out. Oh my god, she sent stickers. Oh my god. Sticker King. I believe she's from Alaska. I think that's what AK means. I'm a little dumb. But these are really cute. I've never heard of this brand, but they're really cute. They look like the ones from Hobby Lobby. I don't remember the brand, but that's really cute. They got the silver edges on them. These ones are frogs. Then there's this one with the bumblebees and the ladybugs and more frogs, so that's really cute. And then some ladybugs. These are really cute for Valentine's Day. That would be awesome. Or like a little like pink and green watermelon theme flip book or something. I love these. Thank you so much for sending me these. That was so unnecessary, but thank you so much. Oh, she sent me a card and it's got the sticker from the Target's dollar spot on there. That's really cute. I'm gonna open it up and just see what it says. Oh, that's cute. These bags are a bad habit. That's cute. I'm gonna read it really quick. Okay, so it's just a really sweet note of thank you. But here's her name on Instagram, so make sure you go follow her on there. And that was really sweet. So thank you so much, Ursula. I had a lot of fun making these for you too. I'm excited to see what you came up with. Just gonna get my scissors. These are so nice, these little envelopes. I did not think to put mine in 2 envelopes. I just kind of stuck mine in with some padding. Okay. Got them all wrapped up really nice. I am not good at wrapping. Like, that's a skill I need to work on because I do not have the patience to wrap things very good. So I should probably work on that. I like to make this stuff. I don't like to wrap this stuff. It's all gonna be teared open anyways. I like the straw already. Oh my god. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at the little dangles she's got going on there. That's so pretty. And look at the butterflies. That's really cute. And it says sunshine on it. Then on the back she just put a little circle to cover up where the straw connects. And then there's this really pretty lace. And then she did make, what do they call these? Rosettes? I don't know. But like a paper rosette. And there's a little flower in the middle. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I want to get like a little jar or something. Excuse me. Sorry, I thought I had to sneeze. But I want to get like a little jar or something and put all my wands in there because like I only have 2 now. But hopefully I will swap more with some people. So I want to put these all in a jar and I think that would be really cute. But this is so pretty. Thank you so much. I'm excited to see the other one. I love these pearls. I've seen them before, but I don't know where you get them. So that's really cool. I like those. Oh my gosh, that's really pretty. I'm going to pull out the other one. I'm definitely going to say these. These are nice. Thank you. Ooh, it's like a gold straw in this one. Ooh. I love this paper. That is so pretty. So there's like a gold straw in there with gold foiled polka dot straw. And then this really pretty word sticker that says bloom. Like this. Oh, this is like an eraser. That's really cute. That's a good idea to put these on there. I love that. And then it's got a really pretty flower on it. And then some really pretty lace trim again. And then she put a big circle on the back. So they're pretty similar in the makeup of them. That's what I did on mine too. I'll have a video for you guys up soon on how I made mine. But wow, these are really pretty. I love these. Oh my god, thank you so much. Oh, I love the paper rosette. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Aren't these so cute, guys? thank you so much, Ursula, for choosing to swap with me. I really had a lot of fun making up my wands for you, and I hope you enjoyed them. And yeah, so thank you so much. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I try and post every Tuesday and Thursday. I usually do, unless something extreme comes up. And then I do post like in between on the weekends, in between those days. So yeah, if you want, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.